Square root of 147 plus square root of 27 upon square root of 147 minus square root of 27. We can simplify this using two methods. In the first method, we will rationalize the denominator. How do we rationalize the denominator? To rationalize it, we divide and multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate means x plus y, the conjugate of x plus y is x minus y. So conjugate of square root of 147 minus square root of 27 will be square root of 147 plus square root of 27. So the conjugate means we need to change the sign. Why do we divide and multiply? Because if we multiply this fraction with radical by 1, there is no change. But instead of 1, if we write here the same number, consider a upon a, then it is equal to 1. A times 1 is a. Therefore, instead of 1, we divide and multiply by the same number without changing the original question. Now here we have 147 under square root plus 27 under square root upon 147 under square root minus square root of 27. So we divide and multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So square root of 147 plus square root of 27 upon square root of 147 plus square root of 27. Now if you consider a is equal to square root of 147 and b is equal to square root of 27, then it is in the form of a plus b times a plus b, and the denominator it is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. So a plus b times a plus b, we can write it as a plus b whole square, and the denominator it is in the form of differences of square, so we can write it as a square minus b square. So 147 under square root plus 27 under square root whole square upon 147 under square root square minus 27 under square root square, writing it in this form. Now a plus b whole square, we can expand it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as 147 square under square root plus 2 times 147 under square root times 27 under square root plus 27 under square root square. Then upon, we can remove the square root with this square. So it is 147 minus 27. Here also you can remove the square root with this square. Why? Because square root means when a is under square root, a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we square it, the exponent is also multiplied by 2. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So it is 147 plus 2 times 147 under square root. This we can write it as 7 square times 3. Then 27 under square root as 3 square times 3 under square root plus 27 upon 147 minus 27 is equal to 120. 147 plus 27 is 174 plus 2 times. Now when a times b is under square root, we can also write it as square root of a times square root of b. So this we can write 7 square under square root times square root of 3. Then, sorry, here we have 3 square 3 square under square root times square root of 3 upon 120, or 174 plus 2 times, remove the square root with the square, so 7 times 3, and square root of 3 times square root of 3 will be square root of 3 square, so times 3 upon 120, so 174 plus 126 upon 120. Now add 300 upon 120, cancel this 0 and this 0. 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 times 5 is 30. We divide both numerator and denominator by 6. So it is equal to 5 upon 2. So this is the answer. Now let's try the method 2 and let me know in the comment section which method you like more. In the method 2, we simplify the radical first. So 147 we can write it as 7 square times 7 times 3. For this, you can factorize 147. Start dividing it by 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 1 is 7, then 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 square times 3 under square root plus 27 is 3 square times 3 under square root. Then upon 7 square times 3 under square root minus 3 square times 3 under square root. Now this means it is 7 square under square root times 3 under square root plus 3 square under square root times square root of 3. Then upon same in the denominator minus square root of 3 square times square root of 3. Now remove the square root with the square. So it is 7 times square root of 3 plus 3 times square root of 3 upon 7 times square root of 3 minus 3 times square root of 3. Now, when the radicals are same, then we can add the digits that are outside the radicals, or you can understand it like this. We take radical common here, square root of 3, and then write 7 plus 3 like this. It means you can write it like 10 times square root of 3. Then upon here also we can take square root of 3 common and write 7 minus 3. Now we can cancel this square root and this square root. So it is 10 upon 4. Now divided by 2. So answer is 5 upon 2. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.